world premiere for Bugatti happens once in a decade. And the decision to make here in Molsheim this presentation make it really unique, because this is where everything started in 1909 with Ettore Bugatti, and seeing all the product we already developed in the last 22 years and some cars from early 30s all combined together, these make us real unique event. When you look back 20 years ago, when we started with the Veyron, a new niche, over 1 million euro, 1001 horsepower, nobody did it. And today, we are coming with the Tourbillon with 1800 horsepower, with hybridization, with a bigger engine, 16-cylinder in V-form, something which is unique, with an atmospheric engine and with the power of the electricity. During the last 6 months, we were pre-selling the car, so we had already the first reaction from the customers. And I have to say that from the design exterior, it was more an evolution. But if you look at the interior, it's really a revolution. And this is what really blazed away our customers all around the world by seeing the car for the first time. And yesterday, I have to say, it was a great moment for many people which didn't saw the car before, with the same reaction.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Bugatti Tourbillon. What a historic moment here at the historic Bugatti location in Molsheim, France. A new Bugatti is a very special occasion, but something like this, a completely new one, developed completely from scratch, only comes around every couple of decades. And with this one, today, right this moment, we are starting a new era in this century-old brand.
The name Tourbillon comes from the haute horlogerie, meaning the highest complication you can see on a watch. And what we can see in the new Bugatti is pushing the limits in terms of sophistication, but also with a very clear display detox, because this is what makes the cars odd after a few years. And our cars are made for eternity due to the sophistication of the car and the high innovation we put it in, like the hybrid system with the V16. We had to make a mix between haute horlogerie, everything analog, but in the background we have very fast step motor to follow the waves as it should be, because the mechanic pure would not be able to follow. What makes our brand so different to the other is this unique and individual approach for the configuration of a car. The customers can really realize how deep they can be involved in the design of special features inside the car to be a part, let's say, of their family. It's something which they will give to their son later on. And this is really important, that you have one unique car, and this is what makes our Bugatti so precious. Molsheim is now, let's say, the epicenter of the luxury in the middle of Alsace. 115 years ago, people like Coco Chanel or Baron de Rothschild were coming already to Molsheim to pick up their car or to configure the car together with Ettore. What we do today, the complete world is coming to Molsheim. Like yesterday for the world premiere, we had people from the US, from China, from Asia, everywhere. They are coming to Molsheim to see the new car. And that's what I mean when Bugatti in Molsheim is the epicenter of the luxury.